ZANU-PF's long-serving director for Commissariat, Dr. Davison Ngomo, has been retired from his position amid mounting scrutiny over his role in the establishment of controversial party affiliates accused of aiding electoral manipulation. Sambira mashkoblanyi panapa kunzi I was ZANU-PF's top election rigging strategist offer wandot wa subscribe wala on the bell icon. Tibida panapa mzimkamdonyira chiti Gomo worked under 4 different ZANU-PF national political commissars during his tenure, was honored at a retirement ceremony in Harare this week. Despite his resignation, Ngomo reaffirmed his commitment to the ruling party, declaring he remained a ZANU-PF cadet for life. In quotes, I am retiring from my position, but I will never retire from politics, Ngomo said. We must continue to protect our hard-won independence. We cannot allow Western-sponsored elements like Nelson Chamisa to reverse the gains of liberation struggle. ZANU-PF political commissar Mnyazi Machacha praised Gomo's legacy, singling him out as the architect behind the party's network of affiliates that played a key role in voter mobilization during the disputed August 2023 general elections. When I came into the commissariat, I was introduced to these affiliates and quickly realized that Dr. Ngomo had meticulously molded them into powerful extensions of the party's mobilization machinery, Machacha said. He gave the commissariat strategic depth. I urge all affiliates to create updated membership registers, just as Dr. Ngomo had championed. Thomas Warubuda panapa atiri kuona Comrade Ngomo panguva ino onewa retirement. Panguva ino pari kuonekwa kunzi panga pava scrutiny over his role mukuestablisha controversial party affiliates achimuaccusa pamusoro pe-electoral manipulation. Panguva ino pari kuonekwa the ruling party ZANU-PF is no longer stable. Pava nemafactions, pava nemapoka. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.